Hey, this is Guan. Welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a phone stand. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the product looks like right here. So first I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right underneath that we do have all different accessories and different parts. So let's take it all out first. So here's the first part. Here we have the second part. And the very bottom we have the last part. So let's take out all the wrappers first. So once you guys take everything out, this is what the product looks like. So the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool because you guys can actually remove it and bring it along with you guys when you guys are traveling or something. So it's super compact and portable. So the way how you guys set it up is actually very simple. You guys can put it in like this. And then for other one, you guys can put it on top like this. And then once you guys fully set it up, this is what the product looks like. If you guys notice in the back part right here, it is adjustable. So that way you can raise it higher or lower, just like this. Very easy and very simple. And also if you guys notice in the back part right here, they give you guys the option to do this. So that way you can tilt it up and down really easily. So this is what the back part looks like. In the bottom right here, they do have the brand logo. And right here in the bottom, they do have the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it onto the table, it won't keep moving around. And that way it won't scratch your table when you guys do move it around as well. And then for the front part right here is where you can put your phone on here. And if you guys notice, they do have like the non-slip material on both the bottom here and also right here as well. So that way when you guys do use it, it won't move around and you guys won't scratch your phone as well. And the bottom, they do give you guys open slot. So that way you can plug in your cable to charge it while using it as a stand. So right here I do have my iPhone. Let me just put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. So if I just put it like that, that is one way for you guys to use it. The other way for you guys to tilt it this way. So that's another way for you guys to use it. And like I mentioned, it does give you guys the option to raise it up and down. So that way you can tilt it in different angles if you guys want to. And then for this part right here, you guys can raise it up and down as well. So that way if you guys want higher or lower, you guys adjust it based on your own preference. So in the bottom, they do give you guys the option to plug in the cable to recharge it like this, like I mentioned earlier. So once you guys do set it up, this is what the product looks like. So super convenient and very easy to actually use, and take it off really easy and turn this way if you guys wanted to. But this is what the overall product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you can see, very easy and very simple to use it. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. But it's actually very simple and very compact, if you can see. And this fits almost any kind of phone, where it's like iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, or even if you guys want to use any other phone that's not like iPhone, you guys can use it on here as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a cell phone stand that has the same design that's on here, where you can raise it up and down, or tilt it in certain angles, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.